Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. How are we doing today? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening depending where you are listening from. I remain your girl Grace. Yeah, call me Grace anytime, any day. Call me, I'm always ready to assist us. Okay, so to my wonderful friends, my wonderful supporters, my good family, like those. Oh my God! Whenever I remember that I have a family here, I feel so good. Yes, because I have people here. I've not met many of the a few guys face to face or one on one, but the love you share. If you don't see me, you keep calling on phone. Grace, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Thank you and all that. Like it gives me that joy. It keeps me going. So keep it up, guys. I love you. To my wonderful friends, those who are yet to subscribe to my channel, maybe today is the first day of seeing my video. Yeah, this is Grace Link Herbal. Okay, I'm so sorry if the volume is not that loud, like I'm not too audible. Okay, because of one thing or the other, just bear with me. So today I have something special I want to tell us about. Yes, it's not something new, but it's just one of those ingredients you can just easily get it, but we overlook them thinking it's just a waste. But today I would like to introduce to you this particular something. Yeah, this is coconut bark. When you peel your coconut, you get this before the main coconut. So this is the coconut bark. How do we use it and what's the spiritual benefit? Like, does it have any benefit? Okay, let's find out because I don't know, but you and I will have to find out. Okay, but then please, in case you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please feel free to join the good family. Feel free to join the big family, okay? Yeah. We are so accommodating. We love you. We can, we love you. We love you so much. So feel free to join us. So what season are we talking about? If you're a farmer or in fact your kind of job is a strenuous one that's every day you pray to for pain, in fact you spend money buying pain relief every day, all those painkiller just to feel good, just to sleep. You come back from job, your work, your office, from the farm, and you find out that almost all your joints are so heavy, like all of them are paining you, and without taking in those things, those painkiller and all that, you can't get yourself, you cannot get yourself. In fact, you can be yourself till anytime you start taking it. You do know one thing, I just want to tell you this, sister, brother, auntie, uncle, cousin, whatever, whatever your name is, those things you're taking is killing your kidney, like you're killing yourself. You're damaging your liver. It is one of the most common causes of those liver and kidney issue that we are having today because of the painkiller we consume every day. Do you know that paracetamol is one of the most deadly drug out there you can ever think of? But because it is common, we think it's very easy. You can just get it anywhere, and it's very cheap. Like it's the cheapest in the market. So you can easily use the smallest money you have, the smallest amount to go get, even if it's a dose, like two of it, you just swallow it just to feel good. But this, I'm introducing you to now. Please, this is tested and trusted. You can try it and give me the feedback. I am always ready to assist you, remember. Okay, so how do we go about using this as painkiller or remover? Yes, by God's grace, we are blessed with so many things around us. With natural remedy, with natural herb, we can live younger, we can live longer. I said younger and longer. It's not about living longer, but healthier. But for the fact that many of these orthodox has been introduced were those drugs that we don't even know how they are being manufactured, you don't even know the processes, you don't know anything. All you know is that this is how it works, and you start taking it. Even some goes to the extent of taking it even without the doctor's prescription. That is wrong, my dear. It's very much wrong. You don't administer drug without doctor's prescription. Okay, and for the fact that you can't keep visiting the hospital every day, like immediately you are back from let's say from your farm work, The next place you'll be heading straight to is your doctor's office just to complain of pain. Well, many of us today, especially in this part of the country where I found myself, Nigeria, part of Africa, you find out that chemists, we call it chemist here, but so many people may call it pharmacist. Okay, we can easily go there with the smallest denomination we have, like can I get pain relief drug, like they can 15 naira on, and for the first you say 15 naira, they will pick, those ones, maybe ibuprofen, they will pick paracetamol, no, all those small small something, and pack it to you. After drinking it, you will come back tomorrow and still take the same stuff. You don't even take a particular drug that they won't even give you the pack that you can easily pick it out there, maybe in bulk. But no, you have to be coming there, visit, you have to be visiting that particular place, even when what they're administering is actually out of what you, as in it's not even supposed to be taken in. But for the fact that you keep patronizing them with your money, with your time, you keep patronizing them, they keep selling that particular drug to you because it will just relieve you that time. Tomorrow again, you will go back to work and still fall back to that particular, pains. Please, my dear, I want us to live long. I want us to live healthy, and also want us to live as in healthy, younger, that we will be very strong. That's why I'm introducing this as the most useful painkiller those days in our during our forefathers days, those days that they don't really have much um access to drugs. But yet, can you still ask yourself why those people live longer than us? Like, they live healthier. There was no atom of, if I even if there was cancer, there was a kidney failure, liver issue, and all that. It was so minor, like so significant that you may get to know it's 1 out of 1,000, but these days 1 out of every 10. Okay, 1 out of every 10. You don't even care. How do we contact men? How do we get all this? Some of this canned food we take, it's not good for us. Okay, but I'm not here to castigate the product, like, because I'm not selling it. I don't sell. I keep telling us nothing but what will help us to live a healthy life. Okay, so for you to know how to use this, please, once you're back from that your office, once you're back from that your job, once you're back from that your farm, and you feel pain all over your body, please, I will charge you to get me this. What you need is just remove, sorry, this is sponge. It looks like sponge, right? Yes, because if you don't have your local sponge, you can actually convert this to your local sponge. Yeah, those that have been following me here on this channel will understand with me what we meant by local sponge. So this your local sponge, you can just bring it out and then just wash it in case it's not neat. Okay, after washing it, you boil it. After boiling it, you drink it. Yes, you have to drink the water. You save it, use your chef anything to save it. You save it and then take in the water. It's going to calm all those nerves, all those pain you were feeling before. Try get rid. But then I would like to tell you this: if you have if you've developed that interest, like you can't do without all this pain relief, all this orthodox, you can't do without all those aphrodisiac drug analgesics, those analgesics. Okay, if you can't do without them, it will be difficult for you to adjust to this immediately. You know why? Your system has come to adjustment with that particular drug, and if you don't take it, the pain will be increasing until you have that particular drug. But in case you are the type that you don't really take it, please, you can just start today taking this. It will help you, it will help your kidney, it will help your liver. Let us try as much as possible to avoid anything that will take us start taking us from places, or start taking us to places where normally we are not supposed to, if we must have followed the right order. Okay, so this is great one. Yes, it is a great one. Like I said, it is the best you can ever introduce to that your aged mother in the village. Yes, that your aged uncle that is complaining of pain every day. Introduce this to them. Help by God's grace, it will be fine. They will be fine. Okay, so you have gotten something today. I am too sure you have learned something. So please don't keep the knowledge to yourself. Why not share it to friends? It's going to benefit every, like anyone that comes across this. I know it's going to benefit that family, even if it's not now, in the nearest future. Thank you so much for watching my video to this point. I remain your girl Grace, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for, darling? Please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it. Like I said, thank you so much. I love you guys. Don't forget, this is coconut bark. Okay, this is the coconut flesh. Just remove it and, you know, use it and, do whatever you want to do. Can use it as a sponge. You can as well use it as your drug. Very much important. I love you guys. See you.